I got some more locks from Amazon, and they came with a crochet needle and these little jewels that I'm not going to use. But each little thing come with 11 locks on it, and it come with 7 packs, so that's 77 locks. I had to order more because this is like what was left over from the first order of my locks, and my ponytail is what I'm going to be doing with the new pack. My last video, I told y'all I forgot how to show y'all. So you put the needle through the braid and you open up the little hole for the lock, put it through the hook, and just pull it through. It's so simple, like real simple. So once you pull it through, you open up that little hole and you pull the braid and the lock through, and then you pull on the lock. When I opened it, I pulled on the braid a little bit, but if you don't want to, you could just pull on the lock and it will lock. So here I am just showing y'all again. So this is the hair that you use to wrap around your braid and the lock. So it comes with one of these little things, and I split it in two. Now, depending on how long your hair is, and this is why I say they cost $50, you only need 1/2 of a strand to wrap around your lock. So you put the crochet hair, well, the spring twist hair, through the root of your braid with the crochet needle the same way, and you literally just wrap. I like to wrap it right here around the root about 2, 3, 4 times depending on how loose that root is, and then you just wrap. Now I have color in the front of my hair, well, on the sides of my hair, well, right here and somewhere else, whatever, but I have to use more than one because my hair is long in that area as well. But some areas I only use, oh wait, I had to use 2. I'm tripping. So yeah, I had to use 2 on certain braids. 2 of these little pieces of hair right here. 2 of them, but for the most part, it's just 1. And then you can always tuck your braid or your twist, whatever you decide to do, tuck it. You see, this is where I had to add the second piece. And I'm just twisting. And like I said in my last video, to lock it, you twist up and twist through your hands. So, I'm not done. But that's how long they are. They are 36 inches. So, we just going to wrap these up in a pony because it was time for me to get ready for work. But that's how you do it. Let me know if y'all have any more questions. And be sure to follow me and drop some comments.